Did you know that pigeons are basically flying mathematicians? Most people think pigeons are just city rats with wings. But these birds are secret geniuses. Scientists discovered they can understand abstract mathematical concepts better than some humans. In controlled experiments, pigeons solved complex probability problems and recognized numerical patterns faster than graduate students. These feathered brainiacs can differentiate between different quantities, understand zero as a concept, and even perform basic arithmetic. Researchers at the University of Otago trained pigeons to compare 9 different visual images, ranking them by number of objects. The birds consistently chose correctly, revealing mathematical intelligence that shocked researchers. Imagine a pigeon solving math problems while perched on a city statue, its tiny brain processing calculations faster than most smartphones. One researcher described watching a pigeon solve a problem as witnessing unexpected genius, like seeing Einstein with feathers and wings. So next time you see a pigeon pecking crumbs on the street, remember bird might be secretly calculating complex equations, judging you with its mathematical superiority. Who's the bird brain now? Follow for more mind-blowing animal facts. Like and comment below.